What's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of IT Specialist Simulator. We are back here today. The last time I checked this out here a few days ago was actually in the demo of this, and right when I basically recorded the demo, I requested a key for the early access version or full version of the game. I'm assuming early access, but I figured I still want to hop in and do a demo video on that, and we had a lot of fun with it. I definitely had some, I guess, little screw ups with it, and gonna try and do a little better if I can here with all this. So I'm excited for this. Hope you guys are too. If you guys are, drop a like in the video, show it some love and support. And if you guys are new around here checking this out, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on any videos or streams that I am doing here for you all. But yeah, gonna go ahead and give us another try here. Again, we're gonna go on easy with this and additional task difficulty. No, I just want to see like, yeah, so there's only three. Yeah, so we're gonna, I mean, this game is a little tough. I'm not gonna lie. So like even though they say if you don't have any experience with computer configuration, computer networks, or the IT industry, recommend using easy. It's still really tough with this. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna go ahead and give us another try. Obviously we're gonna kind of go through oops, geez, we're gonna go through the beginning tutorial. This a little bit quicker this time around with this since already kind of did all this just not long ago with you guys, and if anything's obviously different, then we won't. But yeah, I don't know. I'm very tempted to try and stream this game. That way, you guys can always help me out a little bit too with all this. But again, I figured we'd pop in and do another video on this and see what it's all like. And again, if I can do any better in terms of, I guess, like trying to figure everything out. So, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and continue on. But yeah, kind of forgot if I introed this. But if you guys do enjoy this, drop a like in the video, show it some love and support. And if you guys are new around here checking this out, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on any videos or streams that I'm doing here for you all. My apologies if I introed that twice. It's been a bit of a long day here with this. But yeah, so we've got that. We got 10. I kind of remember this from before. We're just going to go 2 on that. 168. 10 by 1 and then hit apply. I think, right? Yeah, there we go. Nice. Beautiful. So again, we kind of already just did this in the demo, but so my apologies if you guys are just finding this now and didn't watch that demo video. I'm going to go ahead and search the web for some jobs, show some offers, and I kind of played through this like 3 times trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. So we're going to go ahead and there's no job offers that interest us. Oh, that's right. We need to pop in and play some voxel craft with all this interesting game here. We got some little Minecraft kind of thing in the game. Never dig straight down. Pepperoni, pepperoni. Never dig straight down in Minecraft, ladies and gentlemen. Run! Alright. And then, yeah, I was going to say, it's going to tell us to go to the living room. Wait. I got to close out of this first. There we go. At least we're supposed to. So yeah, this is our little pad. Again, now we know. Just turn around and look at the TV like that, and then turn it on. Don't need to be looking around like I was derping around on the couch here before. So should be a lot better. Obviously. So also, guys, I just remembered too, the game actually officially releases today when you guys are watching this on November 20th with this. So if you guys are interested in checking this out for yourselves, it is available here as well. And again, a massive thank you to the developers or publishers of this for accepting my key request. Kind of think I forgot to thank them for that. But all right, we got our application submitted. Congrats, we have completed the tutorial, which don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we're gonna go ahead and hope for the best on this, expecting the worst. All right, so here's our new place here. This looks again very much about the same as it was before. So our first job in IT, great experience, or maybe not. Yeah, probably not, but we'll see. And then we got the map here so we can see where things are. And then we got all these different desks and everything. And then we've got our locker out over here that we got to find in just a moment. Turn off the map and go to the locker. Okay, thought we had to actually find the locker first on the map, but all right. Go ahead and see what's inside. We got nothing in there for now. And then when the end of day approaches at 10 p.m., that's good to remember because I couldn't remember when that was. And then close the locker with I, and then, oh, I see. There we go. All right, we'll head to the IT room. I believe it's going to be in the same place that it was before. Yep, there we go, 103. And then this is going to be our desk down over here. This is our office. We're in charge here, but only on the second shift. Our senior colleague takes the morning shift since that's when the most failures happen, and he has the experience while we're just a rookie. That's for darn sure. Even on easy. Let's start with configuring our network. You guys know we had a bit of a fail with this, bit of some issues with this last time, but we're going to be better with this time. We got the peep. We got that. We got user, and that's right. It's 40.123. And then we're going to go ahead and show advanced. And then we've got to type in our hyperlink. Not our hyperlink, but our link here. storage.wiki.lan/wpad.dat. Then connect. There we go. Nice. Easy peasy with that one. All right. So to close the app on the tablet, yeah, we need to press, that's right. We can press enter on that. We now have access to the network. That's already a big plus. Go to our computer and we'll find it at the end of the IT room, right by the window. Then sit down on a computer using the E key. And then we'll turn that on. Computer isn't just a regular workstation like the others. It also serves as a server. If it's turned off, some parts of the company systems automatically stop working. All right, so we're going to log on in here. We'll be all good to go. So our little command center here, we can manage the entire company, open the browser, and go to a wiki storage, which the browser, yep, again, was right here. Am I able to? No, I can't. Dang it. As we can see, that page cannot be found. This is because the headquarters is in Germany, and we're trying to access them directly. To reach that page, we need to enable our VPN. All right, we got that, and then connect. Now we'll try to connect to the external server. Click the connect button. We're already doing that. I quit. As we can see, two-step verification has appeared. Fortunately, we already have the internet on our tablet. The tablet was also prepared earlier and already has basic applications required by the company. To use the tablet, we must step away from the computer using the function key. Remember, no text field can be active. Okay. Is this the same or is this different? This is a little different, I think, isn't? Oh, no, maybe not. Thanks to the... Shoot, I don't know. Wait, that's right. We have to go down the hall, wasn't it? Maybe not. All right, we're already starting to... Things are already starting here. So 524452 is that what we need? Uh-oh. Did I already break it? 632243. It's not allowing me to... Uh-oh. I already broke it. Help. Oh, man. I don't know if I need to get it back up. That's our inventory there. I was like, wait, what is that? Enter the number displayed in the computer application and confirm the login. It was like 60. Oh, wait, I got to reconnect. That's why it disconnected because we didn't get it, I think is what it was. I didn't. So we got 57. I didn't see that. There we go. So 57 and yes. There we go. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, I didn't see that disconnected there. So now we're good. We're connected. Great. Now we're connected to the VPN. We can close the application. It will keep running in the background. Reopen the browser. Okay, so we can close that out. Reopen the browser. Go to the wiki storage. Okay, now we're good. There we go. It worked. We now have access to the data from the entire company, which has several branches in different countries. Check the procedures. Oh, that's right. As we can see, there's a list of files to download here. There are mostly procedures that will make our work easier and expand our knowledge. Download any file. There we go. So we got them all again. May as well. And then now that we've downloaded the file, go to the downloads, the folder in the file explorer to find it. Yep, that seems, again, pretty easy. As we notice, yep, again, this is because the computer doesn't have an application that can open PDF files. So left click on the downloaded file. Sorry, left click. And then, yes, this is where I messed up again last time in the demo of this. If we go into here and then go to the PDF, I think it's, I guess, not completing though. Stop it. Does it want us to? Is there a specific one that it wants us to? Oh, now, okay, that takes it over. Was it this one? I don't know which one it wants. Oh, and now it's saying to do the, okay. So if it found an application, open our PDF files. We can do the same with any file. This is a strange icon, of course. In the store, we can also search for other apps or games. So install the PDF reader application now. I'm just trying to kind of do this in order. That way it doesn't mess up at all for us. But we'll see. We will see. Okay, there we go. So installed. You can also create a shortcut on the desktop using the buttons. Well, didn't do that. There we go. Oh, it actually needed us to. Go to the down. Okay, go to the and open the downloaded. I don't know which is it. Yeah, it's this guy. Then the configuration is what it wants. It's not complicated. We can gain a lot of knowledge using Form Hub or directly from our internal procedures on the wiki. Wait, do we have? Oh, you know what? That's right. I could have. Maybe not. I'm trying to like think back to our one that I messed up on before in the demo. But all right. So there's that. So we got to open up our mail app here, and that's right. It's an actual thing. Go to the tasks. Oh boy. Here we go. As we can see, a task has appeared. Open the email and read it. Talk to my new friend AI, and I think it's absolutely right. I checked the password requirements in the console, and together we believe that the minimum password length should be 8 characters. Additionally, the password validity period should be at least 30 days. Please change that. Okay. Fortunately, nothing serious happened. It's just a simple request to change the wallpaper. That's not the... This is not the same one. Okay, well, obviously something's messed up with that. Critical incidents are events that require immediate intervention. Okay, in critical incidents, we may also encounter tasks with high, medium, and low priority, as well as service requests. It's important not to exceed the time when we have to resolve a task. If we exceed the time, the reward for completing the task will be reduced by a penalty. Good to know. However, if we don't complete the task before the end of our shift, when it's already overdue or only 1 hour remains to finish it, we'll receive a penalty. Oh, that's fine. Press the function key to open the task window. Escape. That's right. So as we can see here, we have several pieces of information, such as the problem description, device owner, IP address, location, and remaining time to complete the task, as well as information about the reward and penalty. Okay, so we got 46 hours to do that. Can also get help if we get lost. Click on the yellow bulb in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to learn more. Modify these settings. We need to use the terminal, CMD, and the net command. More information can be found on the forum help under the guides category. Find the computer from the ticket on the map. When we hover over the device, we'll see the user's data and additionally the task title. Turn on the computer, go to the personalization. This isn't the same one. This is not what we're supposed to be doing for this. This is our old one that we had in the demo. So I don't know if we're going to get, if this, I guess these objectives are going to get messed up because of this or not. So we are trying to go to pet. Gregory, there's, there we go. So we go ahead and use this. Again, this is not the same thing here, so I don't know what we're supposed to be doing with this, but we'll go ahead and follow suit, I guess, with this. Okay, so we are trying to, again, reduce the required password length to 8, increase the password validity period to 30 days. So again, to modify these settings, we need to use the terminal, CMD. Well, that's the thing is, I don't think we can do this. We're not supposed to be doing this from here, I don't believe. I think it's supposed to be done from our computer because ours is the main kind of hub with this. Oh. Can I? No, I can't. So we got our CMD here, or command prompt. Where is our, yeah, form help. See, now this is where things get a little bit tricky because there's not like a ton of information on this. And again, this under the guides category, which is I think where I'm at. Isn't it? Or where's... Maybe not. Oh, yeah, we can just open it up that way too. Let's see. Yeah, see, that's not really helping us with that at all. Under the guides category, which again, we don't have a guides category. So, I don't know. Do we not have a back key? Is there actually legitimately not a back key? That's just a refresh. Password requirements in the console. So yeah, we got all these different tasks here. We got a medium and a low, which again, I don't... Let's see here. So let's give this a try since I already kind of know what the tutorial wanted. It was... Wasn't it... Yeah, I think it was her, if I'm not mistaken. So let's give this a try to see if we can actually complete this for the tutorial like thing of this. And again, this is where things kind of get a little tricky with this. So we have like the oranges. Yeah, see, again, that doesn't really help us then. So nothing actually gets marked off or completed there. Because we don't actually have that task. So something is up with that. So someone in the office said Virus Plus can have better protection. Can we set that up? I don't know where to change it. So we are going to go to Gregory's desk there. Oh, it even showed. Okay, nice. Just coming here, turn on all their computers and. Oh no! I'm so sorry, guys. I just realized you guys can't see all of that. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get rid of this. That's an issue. And then don't we have? Maybe not. So we'll find the application in the App Store to purchase a Pro license. Once the installed app, open the installed app and go to the menu. Then select enter code. We'll find a link to the site where we can buy a new license, and the activation code will be sent to our email. Unused licenses can also be found on our tablet in the app. Interesting. Okay. So let's see apps here. Oh, Virus Plus. Oh, is this is that not what we needed? Yeah, we need like a back button. Yeah, it's just Virus Plus. Do we not need to? I thought we needed to install it. Find the application in our app store to purchase a Pro license. Open the, go to the menu and then select enter code. Okay. I'm a derp. Menu, enter activation. There we go. So we're getting a Pro. Okay, I think we got that there. So now we have a activation thing in our license or in our email here, which we should be able to get to here. Do we really have to type that in? Can we not copy and paste that? Oh no, and I feel like I remember this not allowing us to. Why can't we not copy and paste that? Well, I guess because we can't paste it into. Can I? Okay, I don't know. Yeah, and I can't open our tablet with us on the computer there. So 0812. I don't think we can be on here. 0812. Yeah, see, it doesn't. Okay, so that's a bit of a. So I need to like legitimately take like a picture of that on my actual real life phone. Just to go ahead and have that so I can type it in. That's a little strange. I will say that. 0812 132. You guys don't take this now. It's 525. All right, there we go. Nice. So I think that is a task completed. Mark is done. Nice. And it will be nice and actually turn that off. We actually completed a task. Yeah, I don't know how to do that one. Synchronize the password rules and policy with the server. Some concern about it. Why is everyone concerned about their passwords? I hadn't changed my password for a long time, so I did it yesterday, but the requirements were very low. I think something's not right. Could you take a look and adjust the password policy on my computer? Well, there, Noah. Sure, I guess. Okay. Use a terminal. Oh, so maybe it is on the computer, their computer itself. So maybe this will actually help us. Where is Noah? Right over here in the end. Okay. Why is everyone so concerned about their I mean, obviously, password security stuff, especially in office, is important, but everyone's like, man, my password is not good, man. Okay, so we will try and run our terminal here again. Let's see. And the net command. See, I don't know how we get to a net. Oh? I can't remember. I know there's like... I wonder... Do we not have... Just look at Instagram on here. Okay. Interesting. I'm going to delete that then. Don't really care. um... Oh, wait, we got a new thing. Oh, I guess because we completed a task. Now it actually updated. So let's go ahead and pop over to here then. Open our browser, which we already did. 192.168.45. I guess it's already right here, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. And then it's admin and admin. Roto is our own company, so it has two connections. Okay, yeah, I kind of... So we're going to be eventually set up a new connection here. Currently, we're in the process of changing providers. Yep, that's it. The router is only working on LTE. In the coming days, this will change, and a new provider will appear. Be informed about this by email. Maybe. Step away from the computer, then crouch. Okay, so yeah, we're looking at our network sockets. Disconnect. Grab one here. Can also connect. Oh, that's right. Got to do this. But we need to grab the USB flash drive. Yep, that's right over here. I remember. So let's go ahead and connect that on up there. Go to the file explorer again. Sorry guys, I know I'm kind of flying through this a little bit. We already just did this in the demo of this, so not really all that crazy concerned about trying to re-go through all of this again. As we can see, the computer has 2 drives. Yes. We need to install the system or repair it, use the procedures from the wiki and help from the help form. So that maybe is where we needed from the last time as well. Network sockets and USB ports aren't the only interactions we can perform. Walk over to the rack cabinet, IT room, and press on the function key. Okay. As we can see here, we can also change connections between devices and the switch. There should be order in the company. Hope you'll keep it. Yeah, maybe. Another ticket just came in. Go to mail and check what broke this time. Remember, forum help and the internal wiki are huge. Well, what is the forum help then? Versus the internal wiki. Isn't that... Oh, wait, I see. That's going to be all of our... Yeah, these. Why did we get disconnected from that? Oh, yeah, you know what? I know why. The game didn't have us reconnect this. That's actually really funny. So we still... Yeah, we're still connected to the VPN. Lovely. I'll do that. So we got our... What? Okay, so there's not everything in here then right now. Why? That's why then. Well, that's just great. So we got more tasks. Yes, we already got that one taken care of. The display in the RCP isn't working properly again. Can we brighten it up? Sure. Medium here. Set the brightness between 60 and 90%. Go directly to the device and they need to access settings. We'll find the instructions on the wiki. It shows how to get. Okay, I think we can figure that out. I just need to know which one it is then. So, Meliner, I believe. Gregory, I gotta remember where these guys are now. Is that not? It was for her. That's where the email came from, but I don't think that's the right Office 104. What? Yeah, I'm also not seeing anything. Ah, this guy. Right here. Ah, there we go. Okay. So how does one do this then? So we can do everything directly on the device. We need to access the settings. We'll find the instructions configuration on the wiki. It shows how to get in the settings if we're interested. We're interested in the display settings. Okay, yeah, that's. Maybe restart it. I'm trying to kind of figure this out on our own here first. I feel like there's got to be. Okay, maybe not. That's our network information there, but like, we don't have a way of. Hmm. Okay, I guess we'll hop over here real quick and see if we can do anything with this. So again, we need to go to the wiki, which we already have everything downloaded here now. But again, I don't know. Oh, here we go. So on our device, once our device is connected to the network via the power over Ethernet, and we're on the main screen, the application where employees scan their cards, we need to restart the device, which we already did. The logo up here. Then the system will begin to load as soon as we see a white bar at the top. Make sure to click on it. If we don't manage to click on it, time the employee. Okay. Ah, if we clicked on the white bar, we'll see some notifications. Tap anywhere on the screen outside the notifications to dismiss them. Go to. Okay, that seems like. Well, there's our display setting in there. I feel like this is going to be something where we need to actually do this all like in a time thing too. Click on the white. Okay. Next, we'll see all the apps on the device along with the restart button. We need to access the device settings. So tap on network state. Okay, so network state. Mainly interested in the first one there. In this section, configure the network addressing. First RCP uses the address ending in 241. Last one go up to 245 number. Okay. Once we've correctly entered the network settings, restart the device, then go to a computer with internet access in the browser. Oh my, this is a lot more. Why can't we just have a setting right on there? In the browser's address bar, enter the IP address we assigned to the RCP. A login page should appear. The default login is operator and password is also operator and operator. After logging in, we'll see. Man, this is crazy. This is a lot, actually. This is really a lot. All right. We'll go ahead and do a. Oh yeah, restart is. That's how I did that. I was like, wait, how did I do that? But okay, loading apps and where? There we go. Oh wait, that's right. It said to go away on that. So yeah, it's that plus 241. So okay, can go. I should really just grab a picture of this actually again. Let me just do that. Just to even delete my old one. Let me just grab a picture of this quick, just to have that. Oh man, it should be the default. Our like whole network's IP, just with the last three, will be the 241, being that that's the like item number. So it's gonna be this, right? Maybe not. No, it's not actually. 192.168.15.241. What? Dot 15.241. Yeah. Is that not the right thing to actually enter? 192.168.15.241. Yeah. And that's got the right thing on there. Okay, well, let's go to IP config then. It's saying if we don't know the network's addressing scheme in our branch, finally need. Yeah, I mean it's that. So this is our default number. Oh, is it because that's 10 and not 15? Maybe that's what it is. Okay, I think that might be what it is then. So we need to change that over to 10 rather than 15 on that one number. This guy. And this needs to be also the 10, I'm pretty sure. I think. I know a bit about network stuff, but it's not a ton. My knowledge is pretty vague when it comes to that. One 192.168.10.241. Man. And see, this is where I wish I could have you guys here as well. Oh, once we've correctly entered the network settings, restart the device. So we need to restart it, and then it'll maybe... I don't know. We'll see on that. But I feel like that's not actually working now. So let's try 15 here quick. Apply, and then let's do a restart. Oh, restart from there. Okay. Yeah, let's get this where it's back up to where it was. I'd like to try to at least get this completed, and it's actually almost 10 o'clock here in game, so we can actually finally save here as well, because we can't save until we get to the end of a day. So I want to see if we can get this done quick. That'd be awesome if we could. Okay, so 192.168.15.241. Go to site. There we okay, so that was It's just because it's not like a secured thing, so it doesn't know that it's actually safe. And then it was operator, right? Yes, operator. Did I type that in right? You can't make these smaller either. I'm trying to... I feel like such a derp right now, but... Why is that not working? The default login is operator and the password is also operator. After login, we'll see... It literally doesn't want to log in. Oh no. Oh, I just closed out of it. I'm pretty sure I'm spelling that right. Right? The default login is OPER, OPER, ATOR, ATOR. And the password is also operator. What is... User login, user password. There's no caps or anything. I don't know why this is not working. Is there a different... Oh, there it is. So why would the game tell me that then if it's not that? That's really... Oh man, that's really screwy. Admin, and we've got... Vanquish... Paparot. 1, 2, 3, exclamation. There we go. Okay. Oh, man. Is that really not the... I should have looked at that earlier. Set brightness set between 60 and 90%. So now we're trying to... Oh, it even shows us the IP right there. I guess I forgot about that. Brightness set between 60 and 90%. Display settings screen. There's nothing else there. Once again, I feel like it's just... There's something that I'm missing on it. Hmm. Is there something that we can access now? It shouldn't be because we're remotely accessing it from. Yeah, that's all. Hmm. I don't know what else to do with that. And go to the date and time. If you use the local time option is unchecked, make sure to check it. I think it was already there. I don't. Yeah, I don't think it really matters, but just trying to finally restart. Let's see, our display setting that we want there, our brightness setting is not there. Wait, accessibility or availability is what that's under. So I think that's what we want actually then. Isn't it? I think that's what we want instead. Not what we were on right there. Let's give this another try real quick. Let's restart, even though I probably shouldn't. I guess if we didn't do any changes anyway, so that's fine. There it is. Yes. Let's just go 90%. And then we can do a restart. I feel like this game's like really misleading. Like it just told us to use what we I I don't know. Maybe not. I'm actually really enjoying this though. We have a lot going on with this now and I just need to figure it all out. But I'm honestly enjoying this. How do we save? I know like 10 p.m. Oh wait, 2200 would be 10 p.m. What am I talking about? Okay, this is just going to turn into a long video on this, I guess. So we got service requests, we got 65 hours on that and 40 on these. I don't know what to do with this one though. That's definitely something I'm not sure on still. Synchronize the password rules. I haven't changed my password for so long, so you did it yesterday. I think it's something's not right. Can you look? So again, use the terminal, which is I guess they're wanting Noah Rodriguez. Which is him up over here. Like I'm just leaving everything opened and everything on and yeah. Net command to modify the password rules and policy. Oh, you know what? That's right. I got distracted and saw the thing. Yeah. Okay. Let's see here again on our, I guess on our wiki. Helps. Even though that was very misleading with all that, but it's fine. We'll just exit out it. That's fine. Don't need to restart it. It's fine. That's the name of it, or that's the saying for this whole thing. It's fine. So synchronize the password rules and policy with the server. So let's see. Not that. And that's just for like an OS install. So that doesn't help us. And we need our wiki storage, which is not available for whatever reason. And that's just still that. Again, I don't know. So Modify password rules. Can I... Yeah, I don't know what the command is for that. Like, I know obviously to go into the net then, and then... Oops. Why can I not walk even? So, use the terminal and the net command to modify the password rules and policy. See, I don't know what the command is for this then. Hmm. I don't know what the command would be for that. Okay, let's shut that down here. Let's head to our locker. Return our items, which I think we just have one network cable right now on our person. Great, no thefts today. Proceed to the anti-theft gates to finish our day, which I guess is going to be probably this out here. Yep. Then we can end off our day and the game actually will save for. Yep, saving game. Nice. Okay, so we definitely we learned a bit here for sure. Definitely, honestly I'm proud with the whole little RCP thing, getting that sorted. I just want to see, do we have anything else here real quick for us? So we're gonna wrap things up here in just a moment, but I want to see if we have any extra help now with the whole. Wait. Yeah, see, our wiki storage is still not here. And our form help, I don't think anything changes with that. And yeah, we still have all of this. So again, I guess if you guys have any suggestions with this, leave some comments down below. This would be probably fairly easy to do, I think, with all that. So I don't know. Like I said, let me know what you guys think on this. If you want to keep on seeing some more of this here on the channel, like I said, this might be something that maybe I do some streams on potentially, because then I can get some help from you guys as well, which honestly, again, I'm really enjoying this. It's a fun game for sure. I like learning about this. What is all the, I guess this is all warehouse stuff out here. Okay. So yeah, we have all these different departments and everything too that we got to obviously try and, I guess it's just the two, the warehouse, and I guess we got HR also. We got Toby back here. You guys get the reference on that. But yeah, so anyways, oh, here, okay, so this is how we, wait, I gotta go look at that actually real quick. Or can I not? Wait, we do have our server that we can access. Yeah, right here. Oh, that's just our server room right there. So it's the same as the little rack that we've got there. But yeah, so like I said, let me know what you guys think of this. If you guys want to see some more of this here, again, drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. And also be sure to drop a like in the video. Show it some love and support. And if you guys are new around here checking this out, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on any videos or streams that I'm doing here for y'all. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.